The secret to a better night's rest may be right under your noses.
The Mute device. It is beautifully designed. It is adjustable and comes in 3 sizes because no one's nasal passages are the same. It's going to increase the airflow through your nasal passage by gently opening the nasal airway. So, you want to try to put it in?
I do want to. So, I really thought it was going to be cumbersome and I'd probably be aware of it, but it's very lightweight and you're almost not aware of it.
Just take one breath, not even deep, you're going to say.
No, totally.
You are providing more airflow to your entire body, every cell.
You can also find out more information about the Mute nasal device on their website, mutesnoring.com.